Got a JIO file containing a digital jigsaw puzzle? This is a puzzle file from BrainsBreaker, the popular virtual jigsaw puzzle application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open play and create these BrainsBreaker Jigsaw puzzle files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized JIO tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. A JIO file is a saved game project created by BrainsBreaker, a popular digital jigsaw puzzle application. Users create this file to save their progress on a puzzle, including the original image, the shape of the cuts, and the current position of all the pieces. This allows them to close the program and resume their puzzle solving at a later time. This is a proprietary binary format designed for efficient state management. It likely contains the source image in a compressed format, vector data defining the unique shape of each puzzle piece, and an array of coordinates for each piece's current location and rotation. A binary structure ensures fast loading and saving of this complex game state. The designated application for the JIO file is BrainsBreaker from puzzlers.org, Juan Trujillo. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows provides no functional preview, so viewing game data relies on compatible modding applications. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your JIO file and select Open With. Test BrainsBreaker if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. If you cannot access the JIO file, no problem. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I've put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, opening in BrainsBreaker. Install BrainsBreaker from brainsbreaker.com on Windows or Mac. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the JIO puzzle file. The application displays the puzzle ready for assembly with all pieces scattered and the target image as guide. Begin assembling pieces by dragging them into position. Next, configuring puzzle settings. Within BrainsBreaker, adjust puzzle difficulty by changing piece count from a few dozen to thousands of pieces. Configure piece shapes, rotation requirements, and visual aids. Save modified settings to share variations of the same image as different difficulty levels for family puzzle gaming sessions. Finally, creating custom puzzles. Use BrainsBreaker's puzzle creation feature to build JIO files from your own images. Import any JPEG or PNG image, select piece count and cutting style, then save as JIO format. Share custom puzzles with other BrainsBreaker users by emailing or transferring the JIO files for collaborative puzzle solving. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.